Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Webull. First, download the Webull app from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose to register using either your email address or phone number. You'll then be prompted to create a strong, unique password to secure your new trading account. This initial step is quick and ensures your personal information is protected from the start. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to proceed to the next stage of registration. Next, you'll need to complete your application by providing personal details such as your full legal name, date of birth, and residential address. Webull requires identity verification, so be ready to upload clear photos of a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. You'll also answer a few questions about your investment experience and financial situation, which helps Webull understand your trading profile. This process ensures compliance with regulatory requirements. Once your application is approved, it's time to fund your account. You can link your bank account directly to Webull for convenient deposits and withdrawals. Simply follow the prompts to connect your bank using your online banking credentials. Initiate your first deposit. Many platforms suggest an initial amount, often around $100, to start trading. Remember, funds usually take about 3 to 5 business days to fully clear and become available for trading. With your account funded, you're ready to explore Webull's powerful features. Take some time to navigate the platform, familiarize yourself with the charting tools, research options, and various order types available. A great way to start is by using their paper trading feature, which allows you to practice strategies with virtual money, completely risk-free. This helps build confidence before using real capital. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.